Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to self-host n8n, a powerful and completely free automation tool. Forget expensive subscriptions. n8n lets you build AI workflows and connect hundreds of services on your own computer. Ready? Let's deploy it in under a minute. First, you'll need the Docker configuration with n8n, a database, and the connection to the Cloudflare network. Then, it's as simple as spinning up a few services. Just specify the container name, the port, and you're almost there. We'll use a Cloudflare Tunnel for seamless, secure access. If you missed our previous video on how to set that up, check the link in the description. And just like that, after a few seconds, your container is live. Thanks to Cloudflare Tunnel, you automatically get HTTPS and SSL certificates. No extra work required. Boom, it's ready. Now you have a professional automation platform running on your own infrastructure. You can find all the configuration files and code in the GitHub repo linked below. Start automating, start creating, enjoy.